Tonight, we're making some chimichurri. Today, we get to make one of the most amazing and versatile sauces. We're gonna make the chimichurri. All the way from South America. We're not gonna argue if it's Argentinian or Uruguayan. If you feel very strongly about it, you can write in the comment. For us, it's just an amazing sauce, and we're gonna show you how we make it. For the ingredients, there are not very many, so they need to be top quality. We're gonna start with extra virgin olive oil. You guys know this is the one my family makes, and I love it so much. Then we're gonna have some fresh parsley. If you had fresh oregano, it would be fantastic, but I found this amazing oregano from Sicily. It's dried, but it's still so flavorful. Some chili, garlic, red wine vinegar, salt, and pepper.
Daddy, you forgot the lemon.
And the lemon. Now it's time to start. Start off with the parsley. We don't need the stems, we just need the leaves. This, don't throw them away, they are amazing for stock or Italian sauces. The rest, boil it up and chop it really thin.
And once the parsley is chopped, we add the oregano.
All right, so the oregano. This is dried, so you can just squash it and it falls like rain. The oregano you want to avoid is those ones coming directly from the jars. That tends to be really old and is lost all their aromatic flavors. So if you have to get it dry like this, make sure it's a good quality dried oregano that still, you smell it and is absolutely fantastic. And then to this, we're gonna add chili. I absolutely love fresh chili. And these ones are relatively spicy. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna remove the seeds. Cut it nice and thin. Mix it all up. Clove of garlic. With the garlic, take away the bottom. And you always wanna clear the soul of the garlic, the germ of the garlic. So we cut it in half, and this thing comes off. Here as well. And because we wanna taste the garlic, we're just gonna grate it in. Final mix.
1 tablespoon of salt.
Some pepper. And this is so aromatic. Can you come in here and smell it? Smell this. It's lovely, huh? So for storing, we take a jar which we disinfected by putting in boiling water for a few minutes. Put it in.
Why not use this one?
Oh yeah, of course, we can use your spoon. So for a jar of this size, we want 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, the juice of half a lemon. For the lemon, let me show you a little trick. First, you want to push it against the table like that. Then you're gonna stick it in the microwave for 10 seconds. You ready? Then we take the lemon. Okay. This is Isabella's idea. You gonna try? Didn't work. Anyway, we're gonna cut it in half. It didn't quite work out as we planned, did it?
You cut it a little.
But look how much juice just by doing those 2 simple things come out of this lemon.
And my nana's extra virgin olive oil.
All right, put Nonno's olive oil all the way to the top. And I know the original recipe uses seed oil, but guys, extra virgin olive oil just takes this to the next level. Give this a nice. All right, you do it with your spoon. Go for it.
Okay.
Then we add a little bit more olive oil. This needs to be a predominantly olive oily paste. Let's take a little spoon and, oh, I'm gonna use this one. We can go for a little taste. And now we're tasting for acidity and for savory, how much salt we wanna add. Oh wow, I think it needs very little, if not nothing. I would add maybe a little bit more chili, just to give that extra kick. And when you get to this consistency, that's what you're looking for. So how do the South Americans use chimichurri? Well, kind of on anything grilled. You got some grilled vegetables, chimichurri. You got some grilled meat, chimichurri. So let's give this chimichurri a little taste. Oops, what a mess. Slice of meat. Big mouthful. Buon appetito.